Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a crochet small size flower. In this pattern we will need scrap yarn, two color of yarns and one 3 mm crochet hook. Let us start. Slip knot, make 5 foundation chains, then I am joining it together with slip stitch. Form a small ring. For next round, make 3 chains, first 2 chain count as a first half DC stitch and one more chains. Then wrap your yarn over your hook and insert your hook in the same ring and make one half DC stitch, then one chain, one half DC stitch in the same circle, to make total 8 half DC stitch into this in this ring. One chain, one half DC. You repeat the same pattern in this round, same stitch in this round. I have completed my 8 half DC stitch. Then I am making one chain and then I am going to the second stitch. This is a beginning stitch. Here I am making one slip stitch. And now I am got the extra yarn. This is a 8 half DC stitch in the previous round. For next round I am going to the second color yarn, so I am going to the space between two half DC stitch. Insert your hook in this space and pull through yarn. Make one single crochet, then one chain. Total I have 2 chains. Count as a first half DC stitch, 2 more half DC stitch in the same space. And now I am turn my work and go to the very first half DC stitch and make one single crochet, then make 2 chain. Then I am going to the next space between 2 half DC stitch and repeat the same stitch, 3 half decrease stitch, turn it and go to the very first half decrease stitch and make one single crochet stitch, and then turn it, make 2 chain. You repeat the same stitch in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my small size flower. This is a very awesome pattern of the crochet tiny flower. You can change of color of your flower. You can use cotton thread for this pattern. Thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel, The Crochet World.